Apama Homabay kocha morongo en achiel kuma piny mapacho kama masiche mag apaya thoro timore. Man kaluwore kod meneja mar NTSA mochung' e gwenge mag South Nyanza mawacho ni kwan jogo mosewito ngimagi e masira mar apaya e Apama Homabay kocha Homabay-Isbania higani omedore nyaka 321 ka thoth masiche mag apaya juko joriemb boda boda ma ok luw chike mag apaya.
Kenya records 4,000 fatalities every year, and subsequent years the situation has been worsening, and it is very important that we take the call and we act individually and collectively to ensure that we are responsive road users, because at any given time we are different road users and we contribute to these fatalities.
My appeal to the locals is that at this time we normally lose people during the festive period, during public holidays, and during weekends. That's when we get these big numbers. I'm appealing to our people during this festive period that they should be very cautious when they are boarding vehicles, either from Nairobi, from whatever destination. They should be very cautious. And to the drivers, please don't drink and drive. Don't overspeed, because those are the causes of accidents. I'm also appealing to the other road users, the pedestrians. Please, let us take care of the road signs.